Hi guys, I am gonna be making a little small series where I just test GPUs. I bought 8 GPUs. They weren't tested, so I have no idea if they work or not. But you can see here the GPUs. First is a 960 GTX 960. This is here is a 560 1 GB. This here is also, I think, like it just says it on a label here, right here actually. GTX 560. I don't know if I can trust it yet, so that's what we're gonna find out. But yeah, basically, in this small series, I'm gonna go through the GPUs I have bought, clean them up, and then see if they work in my PC. If they do, I'm gonna try and resell them for some money. Let's hope they work. Like, feel free to ask any questions in the comments, or just if there's any of these cards you want to see me try and fix next, or try see if they work next, and just comment it. But yeah, that's okay. That was a clean transition. But in this video, the part 1, I'm gonna choose this one to clean. It's an Asus. It's a silent card. I have no idea what model it is. It doesn't state anything about what model this one is, and the listing where I bought it from wasn't really clear on this one. It just said Asus Direct CU Silent. Nothing more. It's pretty clean for all I can see. Like maybe like that. There's no clear signs of rust. Sorry for the camera shake. But yeah, it even has an HDMI port. We're gonna test this one first, because I think this would be interesting, and nowadays you never see silent GPUs. Like, you see massive GPUs that use like 650 watts of power. But yeah, I'm gonna hop over to my PC and throw it in and see if it works. Okay, now it's time to install. Don't think of how the PC got here, and don't think of what GPU I have in it. It's definitely not a GPU that is like 6 years old or something. It's like a 4090, guys, as well. I'm such a pro. But yeah, for a greatest technician that's ever lived. It's so easy to put in these screws in. We'll do one screw, because why not? Why not, guys? Why not? But yeah, now it has been installed. Now time to insert the DVI cable so it runs right. You might ask me, why are you using DVI instead of HDMI when you clearly showed us that it does have HDMI on it? Because my monitor right here doesn't have HDMI. Like, I have a main monitor that does have HDMI, but well, fire hazard time. It's time to boot it up. 1 and oh, that it fires up, guys. It fires up. But is the display? Oh, damn. Display? Give it some time. Display, guys! Oh my, oh damn, my phone's falling down. It's falling off. Oh my god, but that is display. It does work, guys. That's cool. I apologize for my setup, guys. Oh, let's give it a little time. Like, that sort of was displayed. I'm gonna get a mouse. Oh damn, nothing has happened. My mouse is RGBing at the moment, which can only be something. Probably means that it is on, but that's confusing. Let's power it off quickly. Try to power it off. Now that it is off, let's try powering it on again, see if anything changes. Probably, maybe, I don't know. It did say for me to press any key when it first launched, and I didn't do that. So let's try. I'm just having this space bar, hoping something would happen. It is getting hot, but not too hot, like. Bro, I really need to upgrade my setup. I can feel that it is on, but I can't feel heat from it. Well, no, I can feel heat from it, but not much. Let's turn it off again. I'll just try something and see. I just plugged in the other monitor to see if like it works through the HDMI. But let's hope. Let's pray. Because those are good signs. Those are good signs. Wait a bit, that's not a good sign. Yeah, I'm dyslexic, I can't read. Let's reset it. See if it changes. I think it might be a problem with the limitations on Windows. Like the Windows system requirements are pretty high, so there might be something like that. But I'll come back to you if it posts. Oh wait, no, okay. I guess I'm not coming back to you. It just did. It just did, guys. It's on. Oh my god, the screen size is not what I hoped for, but yeah, it works. Can it run Fortnite though? No, I'm not gonna try. Let's open up Task Manager. Task Manager Performance. Okay, here are the regular Intel graphics. Like that's not what we're looking for. Does it even recognize anything? Okay guys, like there is a problem. It boots up blue screens immediately, and then now it's an automatic repair. Damn, this is pretty bad. Yeah, I'm gonna power it off. Okay, yeah, guys, I think that's gonna be the end for this video. It works, powers on, but I think it doesn't like Windows 11 at all. Or maybe drivers, I have no idea. and I couldn't find it in the task manager. So if any of you guys have any idea on what this card could be, post it in the comments, because I don't really have any idea. Well, that's gonna be it, man. At least it works.